Ducati has unveiled a series of updates for the 2026 Multistrada V4 Rally, enhancing both its mechanical and electronic systems to make it an even more capable long-distance adventure machine. While the core components such as the 170-horsepower Granturismo V4 engine, the 30-liter fuel tank, and most of the bodywork and chassis remain unchanged, Ducati has made focused improvements aimed at refining performance, comfort, and practicality. One key mechanical tweak is a revised swing-arm pivot mount, designed to reduce squat under acceleration, especially when the bike is fully loaded with luggage or a passenger. The rear preload adjustment range has also been expanded from 18mm to 20mm, offering a broader range between plush comfort settings and firm sport-oriented setups. Additionally, to better manage the increased load compensation, the rear brake disc has been enlarged to 280mm, providing improved braking performance. The real headline for 2026, however, lies in the electronics package, which receives thoughtful updates rather than radical overhauls. Riders can now adjust the semi-active suspension settings while on the move, a major usability upgrade, and the system retains its self-leveling feature for consistent handling regardless of load. Borrowed from the Panigale V4S, the new Ducati Vehicle Observer algorithm takes electronic precision to the next level. By using physics-based modeling to better estimate the motorcycle's position and weight distribution, DVO improves the accuracy of the cornering ABS, wheelie control, and suspension logic. These systems now adjust damping more precisely in real time, depending on both the road surface and the rider's inputs. Braking has been enhanced with a rear-to-front braking function to complement the existing front-to-rear setup. This means that if only the rear brake is applied, the system will now gently activate the front brakes to maintain balance and reduce front-end dive during deceleration. On the safety front, the Multistrada V4 Rally adds forward collision warning to its existing radar suite, which already includes adaptive cruise control and blind spot detection. FCW alerts the rider via a dash-mounted visual warning if the bike is closing too quickly on a vehicle ahead, offering an extra margin of safety. Lighting improvements further boost nighttime usability. Revised cornering lights better illuminate the inside of turns, and the headlight unit has been upgraded to minimize the shadow cone cast in front of the front wheel. Handling at low speeds is improved thanks to a new automatic lowering device, which reduces the seat height when traveling under 10 km per hour and lifts the bike back up at 50 km per hour on-road or 20 km per hour off-road. This system can be toggled off via the bike's dashboard. The updated 6.5-inch TFT display features a more intuitive layout with streamlined suspension controls and a simplified menu for managing heated equipment. Smartphone integration continues to support navigation, music, and calls, while heated grips are now standard, offering 5 adjustable temperature levels for rider comfort. Rounding off the updates is a refined quick shifter, now utilizing a drum position sensor instead of a traditional micro-switch rod. This change offers quicker, more precise gear changes, and brings the system in line with Ducati's latest V4 models. Despite all the tech and hardware updates, the Multistrada V4 Rally keeps its weight in check at 240 kg wet without fuel, making it a competitive and advanced option for adventure riders.